Hello everybody, just about finished with summer preparations. The last thing I like to do is clean the condenser coils on this 82 GE refrigerator, as well as get the dryer vacuumed out on the bottom, get the lint out of it, and get the 87 GE cleaned out. I have the box fans in the windows in the front bedroom pushing air in, so I'm pushing any dust that I kick up out the kitchen window and also out the back door. So I've got the air compressor all charged up, so let's get started. Here's the before on the 82 GE. Not really too bad, but go ahead and clean it anyway. And here's a look from this way. Yeah, there's a little bit of dust on it. So go ahead and get that all cleaned out. I'll put the camera on the other side and get a look at that. And it's all cleaned up about the best I can get it. How about a compressor startup sound? Perfect. Got the dryer vacuumed out. So that one's checked off the list. Let's move on to the 87 GE refrigerator. Well, here's after round one. Recharging the air compressor just went off. Getting cleaner. Clean behind too. That's all mopped up and looking good. I will continue cleaning. Startup sound on the 87 GE refrigerator. Very good. Good airflow out of the back of it. About 2.5 hours later, all done. Finally. It's quite an involved process, but it's quite necessary to prolong the life of the refrigerators. Once again, this has been cleaning the refrigerators and vacuuming the dryer out. Thank you for watching.